Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now 2 a.m. in the morning. I just landed Cebu International Airport. Our goal is go to the Carnaza Island. For that, I have to go Cebu North Bus Terminal. From there, I took a bus. I start my journey at 5 a.m. in the morning. I have to tell you guys, it was a beautiful morning. The sunrise was fantastic. It was a great start. You can see that the day was really gorgeous. I was really look forward to go to the Carnaza Island. 7 a.m. we stop for breakfast. The place called Bus Stop Food and Grill. It was located at Carmen bus stop. I had a beef stew and rice and water. It cost me 80 pesos. The bus stopped here for 15 minutes. 9 a.m. I reached Tabilon port. This is the main road. From here, Tabilon port located at 50-meter distance, 1 minute walk. In the Philippines, I always learn something new every time. They always have a surprise. Here you can see peso Wi-Fi. You can put 5 pesos and you can get a Wi-Fi for 1 hour. This is the first time I'm seeing peso Wi-Fi. It is available on the road. Philippines full of surprise. The technology here everywhere.
This is the Tabilon port. I came early. Right now it's 9:15, but the boat only available at 2 p.m. So I came very early. Right now nobody. I'm only one person. From the Carnaza Island, the boat coming over here 10 a.m. After that, the boat leaves here 2 p.m. So I was here almost like 4 hours before. I don't know what to do right now. I'm just waiting. So far, I just saved my place and brushed my teeth. I went there to get some water. I fall down. Look at me. I fall down. All my shoes got wet, so I'm getting dry up right now. I'm wearing my sneakers. So that is the situation right now. I don't know how much you can hear me. Here the wind is too much. So current situation, I have nothing much to do. So I'm going to do some drone shot.
I have to tell you guys, if you come over here, first come first serve. So you have to register your name on the port area. Lucky enough, today weekday, so nobody. But in the weekend, local crowd is too much, so register yourself first. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome.
I'm Kevin Michael Rakasa from Tapilon, Daanbantayan, Cebu. I'm just born in Carnaza.
He's a very good person, a little bit shy, but it's going to be fine. Right now 10 o'clock, still I have 4 more hours left. So I'm going with my friend to charge my drone battery. So let's go. The boat just came in, so all the luggage over here. Drop off point. So there's a loading unloading going on.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm going to Kevin Michael house. I thought his house on the road, but suddenly he went off the main road. Still going away from the main road. Slightly I was scared.
Hello.
We are still going.
Nakasama?
That's your house.
No.
Still had to go up.
I'll go up.
Wow, it's quite up, huh?
I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit scared because we are riding the bike on the jungle. There is no road.
Fresh, right?
What?
Here, very fresh. No noisy.
No, nice.
Can hear only the chicken.
But he's a really nice guy. I just met him.
Okay, okay.
Welcome to our little house.
No worries, no worries. Everything is good.
So here I charge my drone battery. In the meantime, he start cutting a coconut for me.
We take only water, huh?
Yeah, no problem.
In the Philippines, people are super nice. Even though you just met them, they receive like a relative and treat you like a good friend.
It's sweet. Very nice.
I like to thank Kevin Michael for the good hospitality. After that, he dropped me on the cafe for the lunch.
So that is the name of the shop?
933.
933.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
This is a quiet little nice cafe on the highway, located just on the edge of the road. You can't miss it.
It's a small place. There's a one ATM over there. Other than that, if you want an ATM, you need to go 2 kilometers this side. Okay? Okay.
That's your order,
That's it?
sir.
Okay. Royal. This is my favorite drink. Royal.
They open 6 to 8. The food are very fantastic. There is no doubt about it. I enjoyed very well. The owner was a little bit shy in front of the camera, but she was very friendly off the camera. She maintained this place very well.
That's the owner.
The place was very hygienic and she also wearing hair cap. Look at the menu. They are local delight, which is reasonably priced.
It looks like nose bleeding. Talking to me. No.
I met some teachers over here on the lunch time. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.